Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This tutorial shows you how to release USDT on Binance during a P2P transaction. If you find this useful, please subscribe and like the video. If you're selling crypto and the buyer has already sent the payment, the next step is to confirm the payment and release the USDT to the buyer. First, open the Binance app on your phone and log into your account. From the home screen, tap Trade. Tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right and select P2P trading. This will open the peer-to-peer marketplace where you can buy and sell crypto directly with other users. Next, tap Orders at the bottom of the screen. Select Sell Orders. Here you will see all your active and completed P2P transactions. Tap on the order where the buyer has already sent the payment. Before releasing the crypto, it is very important to confirm that you actually received the payment. Check your payment methods such as bank transfer, mobile money, payment app. Make sure the money is in your account. Never rely only on screenshots sent by the buyer. Once you confirm the payment, tap Release. Binance will ask you to confirm again. Enter your Binance security verification such as your password, PIN, or 2FA. After confirmation, the USDT will be released to the buyer automatically. The order will then be marked as completed. After the transaction is complete, you can leave feedback or a rating for the buyer. This helps other traders know if the buyer is trustworthy. Before releasing USDT, remember these important tips. Always confirm the payment in your account first. Never release crypto if payment is not received. Do not communicate outside the Binance chat. Only trust the payment confirmation in your own account. These steps help protect you from scams. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews. If this was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and see you next time.